Hi everyone, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is the 7th, Monday, December 2020. My name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting with the pound-yen analysis.
The Great Britain pound rose against the Japanese yen on Monday, increasing the price of the pound-yen pair to more than 139 ahead of the release of Japan's gross domestic product news. The technical bias remained bullish since the pound-yen pair printed a higher low in the recent downside move.
Okay, the pound-yen is currently trading around the 139.60. We're going to likely come across the following resistance levels. Looking at the chart closely, we can see resistance 1 is at 140.32, which is the upper trend line arms. Resistance 2 is at 141.01, the low of September the 2nd. Finally, the third resistance is at 142.70, a key horizontal resistance level.
On the downside, the price of the pound-yen pair is likely to find multiple support levels, helping the price of the pair to stay above the price tags. The first support will be 139.00, which is the confluence of 61.8% Fibonacci level and major horizontal support. The second support will be 138.34, which is the low of August 25th, 2020. And the third support will be 137.85, which is the key horizontal support level. The technical bias might remain bullish as long as the 139, the major horizontal support level, remains intact.
That's right. Look, the news we need to look out for is the Japanese GDP news. So the Cabinet Office, Japan, anticipates releasing numbers for Japan's GDP on December the 7th, and according to economists' consensus, Japan's GDP news reached a reading of 5% this quarter as compared to a reading of 5% the previous quarter.
The stats for Japan's gross domestic product news reflect the monetary value of all products, including goods, structures, and services produced inside Japan over the given period. The GDP is an important economic indicator since it reveals the overall progress of the country's economy and the pace at which the Japan economy grows or deteriorates. Generally speaking, increasing numbers are considered positive for the Japanese yen, but suggest a bearish market for the pound yen.
Okay, in conclusion, given the price movement of this pair over the past few days, buying this pair around the current levels might yield some short-term profits. And now let's move on to the US yen analysis.
The US dollar inched higher against the Japanese yen on Monday, increasing the price of the US yen pair to more than 104 ahead of the release of US core consumer price index news.
Okay, so this pair US yen is currently strengthening around the 104.18 with the following resistance levels. Okay, if we look at the charts once again, we can see first resistance is at 104.37, which is the upper trend line R. Second resistance is at 104.93, which is the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. And finally, the third resistance is at 106, even a psychological number.
And on the downside, the price of the US yen pair might find some critical support levels. Those support levels are, the first one will be 103.16, which is the major horizontal support. The second support will be 102 even, which is the psychological number. And the third support will be 101.24, which is the high of November 2016.
That's right, 2016. So the news we need to keep an eye out for is the US Core Consumer Price Index news. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics plans to release numbers concerning the US Core CPI news on Thursday, December 10. Now, according to economists' view, the US core CPI reached a reading of 0.1% in December compared to a reading of 0.2% the previous month.
The stats for the US core consumer price index news reflect a change in the price of products and services over the given time. The consumer price index is considered an important economic indicator since it reveals expected purchasing trends of consumers in coming days. The CPI stats also shed some light on the possible inflation rates within the country in due course of time. Generally speaking, higher readings suggest a bullish market for the US yen pair ahead and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, given the micro and macro economic outlook of this pair over the past few days, selling this pair around the current levels might be a justified move in the short to medium term trading. And as always, when trading, trade with your head, not your heart. Only trade with what you can afford to lose, and always apply strict money and risk management techniques.
That's right, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and our Instagram at Forex Decoded. If you like our videos, don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time.
See you tomorrow. Have a great day.